Hello, I'm Dr. Grace Prescott. Have you been waking up tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you feel like your legs are weaker, that your energy isn't what it used to be, and that no matter how much you rest, your body just doesn't recover? What if I told you the problem might not be your sleep, but rather a lack of an essential fuel your body needs at night to regenerate? In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret of what I call the strength porridge, a simple, delicious nighttime recipe that provides the exact nutrients your muscles need to rebuild and strengthen while you sleep. I'll explain how to prepare it and why each ingredient is crucial, especially after age 60. By watching this video to the end, you'll learn how to make this powerful nighttime boost that can transform your mornings. Imagine waking up feeling light, with strong legs and energy that lasts all day. Are you ready to give your body the strength it deserves and reclaim your vitality? Then stick with me. Let's get straight to the point. The weakness you feel when you wake up has a primary cause, a process called nighttime catabolism. Think of it this way. During the night, your body is in a long fasting state. Even while sleeping, it needs energy to keep your heart beating, lungs breathing, and to carry out all the repair processes. If there's no energy available in your bloodstream from your last meal, your body looks for that energy elsewhere. And the easiest place for it to find that energy is by breaking down your own muscle tissue. Essentially, your body sacrifices your muscles to survive the night. That's why you wake up feeling weak, achy, and like you haven't rested at all. Your body spent the night in a state of breakdown, not recovery. The strength porridge is designed to be the antidote to this. It's a strategic nighttime meal that provides a steady, slow release of nutrients, flipping your body's metabolic switch from breakdown, catabolism, to building, anabolism. Now, let's break down the science behind each ingredient so you understand the power you're holding. The recipe is simple, but the science behind it is robust. First ingredient, oats, the energy and sleep regulator. The base of our porridge is 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. Oats are a source of complex carbohydrates. What does that mean? It means they digest slowly and gradually. They release sugar, glucose, into the bloodstream steadily, like a dripping faucet rather than a flood. This prevents insulin spikes that can disrupt sleep cycles and ensures your muscles have a stable energy supply throughout the night. But oats do more than that. They're rich in tryptophan, an essential amino acid. Our brain uses tryptophan to produce serotonin. During the day, serotonin gives us a sense of well-being. At night, the brain converts serotonin into melatonin, the hormone that not only makes us feel sleepy, but also governs the depth and quality of our sleep. Deeper, more restorative sleep optimizes the release of growth hormone, GH, one of the body's key agents for tissue repair, including muscles. So oats not only fuel your muscles, but also enhance the quality of the nighttime repair process. Second ingredient, banana, the dynamic mineral duo. Next, 1 mashed ripe banana. Bananas are a powerhouse of 2 crucial minerals, potassium and magnesium. Potassium is an essential electrolyte for neuromuscular function. It's vital for nerves to fire properly and for muscles to contract effectively. A lack of potassium is a common cause of nighttime cramps and that heavy leg feeling. Magnesium, on the other hand, is the relaxation mineral. It acts as a natural calmer for the nervous system and muscles. While calcium is needed for muscle contraction, magnesium is necessary for relaxation. Many of us have an imbalance, with too much stimulation for contraction and not enough for relaxation. Magnesium helps regulate this balance, reducing muscle tension and morning stiffness. Studies show that magnesium improves sleep efficiency, reduces nighttime awakenings, and increases time spent in deep, restorative sleep stages. Third ingredient, milk or plant-based milk. The structural base. Our liquid base is 200 milliliters of milk, or a plant-based milk of your choice, like almond milk, as long as it's fortified with calcium. Calcium is magnesium's dance partner. As I mentioned, calcium signals muscles to contract. Having an adequate supply of calcium, balanced with the magnesium from the banana, ensures your muscles can perform their contraction-relaxation cycles efficiently, preventing aches and stiffness. If you choose cow's milk, it offers an extra advantage. Casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually during the night, providing even more building blocks for your muscles. Fourth ingredient, chia or flaxseed. the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. We add 1 teaspoon of chia or flax seeds, preferably ground for better nutrient absorption. These seeds are plant-based protein sources, adding more bricks to our nighttime construction. But their superpower lies in omega-3s. Omega-3s are one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories. Daily activities, even light ones, create micro-tears and inflammation in our muscles. This chronic low-grade inflammation is a key cause of persistent muscle pain. Omega-3s help modulate this inflammatory response, speeding up muscle recovery and reducing the sensation of pain and stiffness upon waking. 5th ingredient, cinnamon, the energy optimizer. Finally, a pinch of cinnamon powder. Besides adding a delicious flavor, cinnamon contains bioactive compounds that improve insulin sensitivity. Think of insulin as the key that unlocks the door for energy glucose to enter cells. Over time, the locks on our cells can get a bit rusty, and the key doesn't work as well. Cinnamon helps lubricate those locks, so your body needs less insulin to deliver the same amount of energy to muscle cells. This optimizes the porridge's energy for repair rather than storing it as fat. Now, let's get to the preparation, which is the easiest part of all. Preparation is quick. In a small saucepan, combine the 200 milliliters of milk, or plant-based milk, with the 3 tablespoons of oats. Heat on low, stir occasionally. In about 3 to 5 minutes, the mixture will start to thicken and become creamy. Add the mashed banana and keep stirring for another minute to incorporate it well and release its sweet flavor. Turn off the heat. Now add the teaspoon of chia or flax seeds and the pinch of cinnamon. Stir one last time. Your strength porridge is ready. Ideally, eat it warm about 1 to 1.5 hours before bed. This timing is perfect for digestion to begin gently without weighing on your stomach, preparing your body for a night of nutrient absorption. A special tip to boost results. As promised, here's an extra step to supercharge your results. About 20 to 30 minutes after finishing your porridge, drink a small glass of warm water with a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. The science behind this is fascinating. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C isn't just for colds, it's a critical cofactor in collagen synthesis. Collagen is the mortar of our body, the structural protein that forms our muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. To build collagen, your body needs amino acids from the porridge and vitamin C to bind them together correctly and strongly. Without enough vitamin C, the structure is weak. By providing the building blocks with the porridge and then the master builder with the vitamin C from the lemon, you're giving your body a complete kit to build stronger, more resilient muscle tissue. Consistency is key. The secret to real transformation lies in consistency. Make this porridge your nightly ritual. It's not a one-night fix. It's a daily investment in your health. In the first few weeks, you'll start noticing deeper sleep. Then, you'll feel less pain upon waking. Next, you'll notice firmer, stronger legs when you get up and energy that lasts throughout the day. If you've made it this far and are truly committed to putting this into practice as an act of self-care, write in the comments, "I choose strength." This phrase isn't for me, it's your commitment to yourself, your body, and your health. Always remember, it's not big, difficult actions that transform our health, but small, consistent daily habits. Your body has an innate and powerful ability to regenerate. It just needs you to give it the right tools. The strength you think you've lost with time hasn't disappeared, it's just dormant, waiting for the right stimulus to awaken. Transform your evenings. Instead of being a prelude to another day of fatigue, make them a sacred moment of rebuilding. With the strength porridge, your mornings will never be the same. You deserve to wake up feeling strong, revitalized, and ready to live your day fully with autonomy and joy. Share this video with a friend, a family member, someone you love who also deserves to experience this transformation. Let's create a chain of health and well-being together. Strength isn't a matter of age. It's a matter of care and smart nutrition. Thank you for joining me on this journey. A big hug, and I'll see you in the next video.